Okay, welcome back. So last session we created an asset discovery job here, and we discovered two Unix assets. Click on asset here, and these are the two Unix assets that we discovered. Now we will be configuring first Unix asset here to discover account. To do that, click the asset. First, let's give it a friendlier name. So click on the edit icon um, under general section here. Let's give it 701 on management. We have the defaults here are correct. Account discovery. This is what we really need to set up here. Let's create an account discovery job here. Let's call it Santos01 accounts. Discovery types Unix. Yeah, sure. We can schedule this maybe once a week. Let's just leave the defaults there. Let's create a rule here. And in this example, we just want to maybe get the users or accounts under operators. So we're not going to find all. We'll uh, under the find by, we will select property constraint, and within that, there's a group field here. We can put here operators, meaning we will only interested or we only get the accounts under the group operators. Click on OK. Click on OK. Okay. Just before we run that, let's go into connection. Let's give it service account here. In this demo, we're just going to use root, but maybe in your production, it's best idea to create a basically use a least privilege account for this exam for your use case. But again, for this is just a demo, so we are using root. Let's provide a password. We don't need elevation command because we're using root in this example. Let's go ahead and test that connection. Give it a few seconds, and there we go. Connection successful. Let's click on OK. Okay, now it's properly configured. Let's click on refresh here. So as you can see, the name here hasn't updated yet. Click on refresh, and there we go. Okay, now let's do a quick run. Right click our newly configured asset for account discovery, and let's click on this. Okay, just before we do that, let's go to accounts. And as you can see, there are no accounts here, or there's one, root, because we use that as a service account, so that automatically gets added. Okay, going back to assets here, again, there's one account, that's a service account. Right click, oh sorry, just have to check the account discovery settings again. Make sure that on our rules, edit this one. On our rules, we click on automatically manage account. So it automatically appears under accounts there. Click on OK, OK, OK. Now we're ready to run this account discovery job. Click on right click and select discover accounts. Give it a few seconds. Says success. Let's just clear that results there. Let's go to account tab here and click on refresh. Okay, now it's saying there are three accounts. Under accounts tab, we can see that we were able to retrieve two accounts from our asset here. If you click under accounts, there's a notification. Click on refresh, and there we go. We have two accounts, both of them from Santos01. Although there is a warning here saying no credential has been set. This just means that um, safeguard for privileged password hasn't set the password yet for this account, we can do multiple selection, select both of them, right click, and then just click on either set password or just change password, and give it a few seconds again, and that should do it. Okay, let's clear the result here. And there we go. These two accounts of our asset CentOS01 is now being managed by our safeguard for privileged password.